The Earth is changing. Ice is melting, oceans are rising, and storms are getting stronger. These changes are happening faster than ever before, and the reason behind it is something called global warming. But what exactly is global warming, and why should we care? Global warming is when the Earth's average temperature increases over a long period of time. This happens because of something called greenhouse gases, like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. These gases trap heat in our atmosphere, acting like a blanket that keeps our planet warm. A little bit of warmth is good, but the problem is we've been adding too much. Most of these gases come from the things we do every day. Things like burning fossil fuels for energy, driving cars, and running factories. Since we started using more fossil fuels, especially during the Industrial Revolution, the amount of carbon dioxide in the air has gone way up. As a result, the Earth's temperature has risen, causing all kinds of changes to our climate. One of the most obvious effects of global warming is the rise in sea levels. As the ice at the poles melts and the oceans get warmer, the water expands and begins to cover land. Coastal cities and islands are seeing more flooding, and some places could even disappear entirely. Millions of people live in areas that could be affected, and this could lead to a serious loss of homes and fresh water. But that's not all. The oceans themselves are struggling. Rising temperatures are affecting marine life, and overfishing is making it even worse. Fish populations are declining, and entire ecosystems in the sea are collapsing. Coral reefs, which are home to many different sea creatures, are being bleached by the warming waters and could die off if the temperatures continue to rise. And when we take more fish from the ocean than it can replace, it makes everything worse. There's also a big problem with plastic. Every year, millions of tons of plastic end up in the ocean. Animals get tangled in it, or worse, they eat it. And while plastic doesn't directly cause global warming, making plastic and burning it releases harmful gases into the air. Plus, plastic pollution is damaging our oceans and wildlife, which are already struggling from the effects of climate change. But here's the good news. We can do something about it. There are solutions, and one of the best ones is green energy. Green energy comes from sources like the sun, wind, and water. These sources create power without polluting the air or causing global warming. As technology improves, it's becoming easier and more affordable to use clean energy, and we can reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. If we all do our part, we can slow down global warming. Simple things like walking or biking instead of driving, eating less meat, and recycling properly can make a big difference. It's also important to support companies and policies that focus on protecting the environment and reducing waste. Global warming is a big problem, but it's also a chance for us to change how we live and create a healthier, more sustainable world. It's not too late to take action, and every little bit counts. Together, we can make sure that the planet we leave behind is better than the one we found. The time to act is now, and we can all be part of the solution.